are the Titan 1500 rated, 1500 pound rated forks, which I will add to my Bobcat here. They are pretty sturdy, I have to admit. I read a lot of reviews, watched a lot of videos, but I'm quite impressed with how thick the metal is. You see that there. The welds look pretty good. And like I mentioned, they're 50 pounds, about 52 pounds a piece. And there's really not much to it. You just add them on there. And I understand you gotta use like a cheater bar to attach them onto your bucket. If not, they come loose. So I'll try that. And I'm not gonna use the chain and everything. I'm gonna try to move those today, put them on pallets with my forks. So we'll see what happens. So I put them on pretty easy, and I just hit the those green attachment knobs with the mallet. And I was thinking to myself, how wide do I make it? Then I remembered, well, I need it wide enough for a pallet. I didn't think about it while I was installing. So just by chance, I made it about the size of a pallet, give or take. And the only problem is that a bar, I guess they call it the balance bar, is a little bit too far forward. So I'll push that back a little bit. Actually might not be too bad. The pallet shouldn't lean over too much, but that's more than half. As you can see, the yellow of the width of the pallet is on the metal. So I may push it back just a little bit, and then I'll move the pallets. I'm already organizing my area there. I'm going to move that hay back, and then put the other two bales on there. So far so good. I've had to stop and adjust the forks a few times. That's just because I haven't used a cheater bar. I've just been using a mallet. And I'm just still playing around with this balance bar here. I'm going to push it all the way back. But what I found about it is I tip over the round bales flat like that, instead of on the round side. Then I put the forks under, and then I put them on the pallets. That's about the easiest way to do it. Just working with a tight space here. I probably should have moved my truck, but if I go inside the house, I'll probably stop working. So, good progress. I was able to move that bale off the fence pretty easily. Get that off the fence. I'm going to move this round bale, put it on that pallet there. And it's kind of hard to operate the skid steer and drive at the same time, so I'll just try to take pictures. So all in all, pretty happy with the Titan forks for the bucket. I guess the only complaint, like most people, is they get loose pretty easy, and hence that's why they probably want you to use the chains and other mechanisms. But for quick movements of hay and stuff like that, I thought I did pretty well. I just got to work on tightening and some of the other aspects of this. But you know, for storage, you just take it apart, take it off here. We'll leave it here for now. A little bit tired. It's about 100 degrees here in Texas. Go get some water, hydrate, put this video together and try to put it out. Thanks.